Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a frantic Friday. It is a great day. The market is doing nothing. And I'm telling you what, we could do a whole year of the market just doing this. Nothing. 3 points up, 0.06% up. Look at this. I wish my little average line was there, but it's not there anymore. Our AD line, I don't even have my AD lines there. Anyway, we're trying to get through this migration into Schwab. So VIX is in the 11th handle. AD is at 35. Wow. I mean, just nothing to see here. Nothing to see here at all. Look at this. We're in the opening 15-minute range. It has done nothing all day. Nothing all day. Just amazing. Let's look at the big green monster, if we can have the big green monster. Let's see. That's not it. Here's our big green monster. So we knew that we'd be support right there or resistance right there, and we bumped off of that. Now we're coming back. Probably a likely target for next week is 52.74, probably where we'll go. So we don't know. We could go into this area up here and be overbought for a little bit, but it wouldn't surprise us to see a test of the 52.74 next week. So let's look at linear regression. Let's see, linear regression. Linear regression, we're up around the 50% line. And when a lot of times when you're at the 50% line, you can bounce back down or you can go back up. So we would figure that probably we're going to have a 5,500 or print or something, or 5,600 print within the next, month or so. Wouldn't surprise us at all with this dashing bull market. All right, so let's see how our little account's doing today. So let's see, we're trading this account, and we are at 48,363. 48,363. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Look at there, y'all. We are up 15.08% on the year. Waka, waka, waka. Not bad for an old country boy that just wants to do 20% a year. We're really doing good. So let's see our greats and ratios here. Don't forget, we do have a Muscadine Mafia session today, which will be really, really good. And we will be discussing the big green monster because we need to fix our lines. We really need to. So let's see which account we're doing here today. Let's see. We're doing not that one. Doing this one today. Make sure that's the only one we're dealing with here. Yep. So we've got 82 deltas and 81 thetas. Now, have y'all noticed over the last year that there's been a lot of times that our theta and our delta are equal? And generally during those times, we're printing money. 82 deltas, 81 theta. Let's put that in. 82, 81. Waka, waka. Y'all, that means we ought to be printing $81 a day in profit. Wow. Wow, that's great. So let's go to our thing here and see what our margin requirement is. We don't count all the shares of bill. Isn't it nice? We don't have to buy T-bills anymore. We just hold bill. It's kind of nice. So we're at 16,800. That looks good. All right, we're using 34% of our buying power. We're up 15% on the year. Everything looks good. Let's see if we're late to the game in putting trades on here. Let's see if we get any. We got a close signal here. What is this? A short hedge with only 21 days left to go. How about that? So it's telling us we need to close those 37.50s. We have 21 days left to go. So let's see, first of all, if that has automatically closed automatically. Let's go to here. And let's go to last 7 days and see if we've had any field orders in the last 7 days. GTC on the 10th, but we would have taken that one out. So let's go look at our positions again. And we said we had one that was 21 days left to go. What is this? 14 days, 21 days, -3, 37.50s. There they are. Look at there. With 21 days left to go. And we are 92.7% profitable. Make sure that was the 3750s. Yeah, 3750s said we need to close them. And why? Now that maybe you're sitting there saying, why close them, Bobby? Well, we don't want the gamma risk and we don't want the valley of death risk. That happens in the last 21 days with those short hedges. So we want to close those. All right. So we want to close those 3750s. So let's do that. See what we can close those for. Close position for 3 of them. And, we were trying to close those at 20 cents. So we'll just go 25 and see if we can get them out for 25 cents. That's generally where they're going to be. Uh-oh. You already have a closing order, which must be canceled before this order can be routed. All right. How about that? So let's look at our working orders here and find the 37 right here. Here we go. Replace order. We'll go to 25 cents. And we are out, baby. Look at that. Rock on, rock on. All right. So let's put this in 0.25. And then let's put this at 517.24. See how much money we made on that. We made $416.58. That's really good. Now, why don't we just do this? Why don't we just go out and sell another 3? Don't y'all want to? I mean, we just close those 3. Let's just sell another 3. So let's go out here. We're going to do ES. We're going to sell us 3. Or we're going to do it 60 days or more. So let's go put those out. So let's see, ES. 60 days or more. So look at this. We don't have anything this 70 days. Kind of seems not right. Have something out here, does it? So let's sell something for $3. How about this for $3.20? Well, we'll do this 40/50s. And we'll do that for $3. $3.05. And let's sell 3 of them in 70 days. We can get that to fill. Come on, fill it, dang it. Dang it. We'll try $3. And we are in. Hallelujah. So we sold the 40/50s at $70. 40/50s at 70 days. 40/50s at 70 days. 40/50, 70 days. And we did them at $3. And we'll call this what? BSH9 that we're starting. BSH9 puts short hedge. And today's date, 17/24. We go. So let's make him BSH9. So let's go positions. Where's he at? ESU. 70 days, 40/50. There he is. So we'll go group positions, BSH9. Now, then what you got to do is y'all know the plan, and it gets a little weird sometimes. Then you got to go in and put your GTC order in to close him out, right? So let's go close him at 20 cents. Let's go close position, full boat at 20%. And don't forget, you got to make him a GTC order. It'll just cancel today. And then I hadn't even been using the calculator. I just been buying these things back for $1.55. So let's buy 5 loans at $1.55. Get him up to 5. And we'll do him when we can do it for $1.55. Probably take about 11 days, or so to do that. There we go. Now, we hadn't even got to the 111. Let me take a big old glass of sweet tea right here. Oh, that is good. All right. So we got our GTC order closed. We got our GTC order there. So now let's go to a 1-1-1 trade. and we go closest to 120 days. So we've been going to this 126 days. Let's see if we can find us a 10 delta. All right, we'll go here, 4,900. And try not 20. We want to do this up a little bit. Wait a minute, something's wrong. Clear. All right, here's 11% probability of being in the money because I don't want to double my thing right there, double the strike. So I'll go, let's see if we can get 33.50 for him. And come on, there we go. 33.50, 4,900. 33.50, 4,900. 33.50, 4,900. 33.50, 4,900. 33.50. Everybody having a good Friday? I got plans this weekend. It's so nice having the pool with all the frogs out of it now that the kids can play in. So they'll probably be swimming this weekend. All right, so we did one of those, and we're going to call him NT13 because our last one was 12. Puts naked. And I got to tell y'all something. I was talking to someone last night, and they've had success in gold and oil and silver with the 111s, 112s. I'm thinking about it. Y'all put in the little comments or in the chat. Do y'all think I should or should not should add gold and add silver to the plan? I mean, I'm thinking about it. I really am. What happened there? Do y'all think I should or shouldn't? Control colon. All right, now we got to do a put debit spread. This PDS 13 puts debit spread 126, 17, 24. See what y'all are saying. I know VIX below 12. Isn't that something, Charles? Did you get that auto expected move? I don't know, man, if I've got that or not. Are you changing the way you do Big Green Monster? No. Add oil. Be careful, gold and silver is it's going parabolic, really. But I was going to do gold and oil on the put side. You know? So I was going to do that on the put side. I don't know. All right, so let's go to our put debit spread. Normally we do the 25 delta, but you can't do that because we'd be buying and selling where we've sold and bought. So I'm going to move this closer, y'all. It's going to cost me some more, but you know, it's just part of the plan. Let's just do this. 5,300, 5,250. It's going to be 1,275. Probably won't get filled for 1,275. Let's see if we do. Probably got to go up some. Let's see if we can go up. $13. Wow, that's paying a lot. But we did get filled. So we went 126 days. We did the 5,300 at $13. 5,300, $13. $13. Let me look at something just a second, y'all. Let's see our Gregson ratios again. Okay. We're a little high, but we're good because we're under 50% buying power. But I'm looking, my deltas are a little high. Okay, I think I'm fine with that being only 9, because I started to say what I would do is do 2 or 3 tranches of the put debit spreads to kind of get my deltas down, my theta down a little bit, and my deltas down a little bit. But I think I'm good. All right, so Robert says for my small account, I'm thinking of doing a 1122 on oil and gold to save buying power. Yeah, okay, I can see that. But y'all, what a plan. I mean, look at this, up 15.08%. Look how we're doing compared to the market. I mean, we're just beating the crap out of it. We're just, you know, just doing our thing. It's just so good. And I know we've got a bull market and everything, but we do better in a bear market, which is amazing. Just a great plan. Rick has done several 112 on CL, not tried it on GC. How you like it on crude oil there, Rick? Schwaz has oil 112 with the shorts at 63.5. Yeah, it works well for you. I'm thinking about adding it. And the reason is it gives me a little bit of diversification, right? Gives a little bit of diversification. I have to figure out exactly how to do it. But then again, I go, well, we're doing so well. Why would I even change anything? I mean, this is great. Hey, what are some of y'all's percentage up for the year? Is anybody beating my 15.08%? I imagine y'all are. Rick's probably killing me. How y'all doing? Just let me know how everybody's doing. Okay. Rick's around 12%. That's good. That's really good. Anybody else got something going on? Yeah, Schwartz says, I think it's a hedge against the market falling, especially gold. Yeah, it could be. So we may add it up, may add it in there. I hate changing my trading plan. And I think I'll just say trading plan, I have permission to do 111s and 112s in gold and oh wow, Robert, you're at 9% up, but you started in March. Wow. Okay, Don's just starting, so he's at 0. Okay, that's good. Everyone's got to start somewhere. But remember, the plan is, y'all, that we think we can do 20% a year. I think we can do 20% a year. Now we might can do more than 20% a year, but I think there ought to be no reason at all why we can't. Okay, Ram, congratulations, Ram. Ram's sitting on cash. He's starting next week. I like that. I just like seeing where y'all are at. And it's not a pissing match either, right? We're not trying to say, oh, I'm beating you or you beat me. We just want to make sure everybody's getting returns. I mean, that's the ultimate goal of our little thing here is to make you consistently profitable. Oh my God, Ken is up 144 in one account, 80% in the second. You greedy bastard, you Ken. What are you doing? 40% in my big account.
Well, to tell the truth, and I don't want to get into too much detail. I split my accounts in half. 50% of my buying power is pretty much what you have been teaching and what your trade plan is.
Yeah.
I have some modifications. I do crude light and I do gold futures, and I'm about to move to E-mini. That's 50% of my buying power.
Mm-hmm.
The other 50% is I'm doing swing trading completely. I'm predicting the markets into swings, and I'm killing it. Okay,
that's great.
And so again, it's alien to your trade philosophy and what you're teaching to people here. So I don't want to get into it because you guys is this. If you could do one thing, this is it. It's the least stress. It is the most profit per stress. I just put it that way.
Yeah. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. What we're doing now is as far as just even kill. I mean, it's just, doesn't, I mean, it just prints money, just profitably and consistently. All right, guys, we will go into Muscadine Mafia shortly. I will see y'all there. I'll post the link in just a second, and everybody have a great weekend. Bye, y'all.